This is a quick demonstration of few examples that we have built using Power BI. To begin with, I'm opening the contact center performance report, and here we have a set of pages from a summary to analyze to detail. Our approach towards building these visualizations is always have a high level view at the beginning, like the important KPIs, and then at some point the user should be able to see the detail also. So when the user starts his or her analysis using this summary page, they can interact using the visuals. For example, if I want to see more like detail the trends for disposition busy, you click on busy and you can see the visual updated here. Along with this, now if I also want to see the detail behind this busy disposition, I can click on drill through and go to the detail. So here, as you can see, the report has filtered itself for disposition busy. Now I can go back to the main report and see the initial numbers that were there. Very similarly, there is another example that I would open up, which is around maintenance service. Okay. Again, the design is a little different here, starting with the numbers and then going into trends and detail by services. Again, the interactive behavior will still be intact. You click on some category that you want and you will see how the system or the performance is. In addition to this, you also have traditional filter approach. For example, you can always say, I want to see this report for housekeeping. Again, there are direct filter options available as well as the interactive analysis between the visuals. Again, here also, if you want to do a detailed analysis on this tooling annual service, you can always click on it and go to the detail. So these are a couple of examples with how we go about building the reports. Now, taking the financial performance example. So here, this is a quick snapshot of the numbers for the year, say 2018. This is all dummy data. We are showing a quick peek into the numbers. Again, the design could vary from one client to another. In this case, for this example, we took this approach. But the story doesn't end here. You can always say, okay, let me do a deep dive on the revenue highlights. So there are a few trends and some top 5 customer cities and all. You can always interact with the data using the filters. As I did here with the date filter, you can go and select the channels, maybe wholesale only. And you can also pick a territory here, let's say South Australia. Now, while this is a filter behavior, you can also click on any of the customer and see how their performance is. And similarly, if you go back to the index, not just revenue, you can click any of the sheets and it will take you to that respective sheet. And you can analyze this data in greater detail. So this is a quick peek into how we go about developing the reports, starting with a high level view and then giving users the capability of interacting with the data and moving from a summary view to the detailed view so that their questions are answered. Thank you.